I have a general knowledge about family-based immigration. I think that most people can say that they've either gone through the process themselves. In my case, I went through the process, right? My mother migrated before me after my dad sold a cow. Ruben loves when I talk about that cow. My dad sold a cow for my mom to buy her airline ticket, right? So after he sold the cow, she migrated. And then she did like what the little duck did, right? She would just send for us one at a time because she was paying crazy legal bills out of New York to her lawyer, Mr. Fish. Mark and Fish was her family lawyer, an amazing immigration lawyer. So family-based immigration, all of us have a general knowledge about that. What else would we put in box number 2? What is another way in which individuals can come into the United States? Charmaine said she filed for her husband, family-based immigration. What would you put in box number 2? Employment. Diana, please take a pen and scratch out work visa.